Custom full brick home on Cul-De-Sac in beautiful 12 stones of Hampton Cove. Fabulous floor plan functions so well for multi-generational living or the family that wants multiple sleeping areas in the home. Main level has 3/4 BRs and 3 full baths. Up is large bonus/5th bedroom west/full bath and extra storage/walkout attic space. Family room flows into hearth room connected by lovely kitchen west/stainless appliances, granite and breakfast bar. Master suite on main floor is isolated west/luxury bath and large walk-in closet. Hardwood floors and new carpet tile. Covered southern porches on both front and back. Love the side friends entrance and drop zone, so practical for busy family. Hampton House membership.